Inventor, philanthropist, Boy Scout, Navy officer. Bernie Gordon has been all of those things, but above all, he's an engineer and an evangelist for engineering leadership.
If nothing else, the function of engineering is to make jobs, building things that the society needs.
With more than 200 patents to his name, Gordon's inventions have paved the way for modern electronics and changed the practice of medical care. After a stint in the U.S. Navy and earning his master's in 1949 from MIT on the GI Bill, Gordon helped build the world's first commercial digital computer, the UNIVAC, with computing pioneer Presper Eckert.
Eckert's view was that any engineer should be able to engineer anything. He taught me how to understand the economics of the engineering, how to push, drive, motivate engineers to accomplish what had to be accomplished.
Gordon later developed the world's first high-speed analog to digital converter and set up shop in a room behind a gas station.
We sent out 40 telegrams from the gas station, and the next morning, Stanley Rogers of Convair San Diego called on the phone, and they ordered 300 analog to digital converters and 300 new devices to be developed to work with them, and they set us off in business from San Diego.
Gordon became known as the father of high-speed A to D conversion. His company, EBSCO, eventually grew to 3,000 employees. In 1964, Gordon started his next venture, known as Analogic Corporation.
We came up with the idea for an instant imaging CAT scanner that would have a very high resolution.
A succession of innovations followed, including the world's first fetal monitor to help prevent birth defects. In 2004, Gordon started his latest venture, Neurologica, which recently began shipping the first mobile CT brain scanner at a fraction of the cost of today's standard CT scanners. Together with his wife, Sophia, the Gordons have been generous philanthropists. Their support for innovative engineering education includes the prestigious National Academy of Engineering Gordon Prize, awarded to the best university engineering leadership programs.
You put together a team of engineers. Without an accomplished, knowledgeable leader, they will generally spend approximately 3 times as much to do the job, and the unit will be about 1/3 as effective, and there's about a factor of 9.
Now a member of the Jacobs School Council of Advisors, Gordon tells young engineers to look out for the people they are leading.
You give the credit to them. You make them feel good. And most important, you take the risk off their back. The risk is on your back.
For his half-century of innovation and dedication to engineering and the education of tomorrow's engineering leaders, Bernie Gordon is the Jacobs School of Engineering 2008 Outstanding Executive.